Hello everyone. Today I'm introducing a smart sensor bar display from Lingxi Smart Screen. It can be installed inside your PC case or placed on your desk as a stylish desktop decoration. Its main function is to act as a smart sensor to show PC data. Let's start with the exterior. The packaging is clean and well designed, giving a very premium first impression. On the back, you can see the English name along with a brief product description. Everything is clearly presented. Now let's unbox it and see how this Lingxi bar display actually performs. Opening the box, the first thing you see is a protective foam layer for cushioning. Underneath is a bilingual user manual in both Chinese and English. And here comes the main highlight, the 11.3-inch Lingxi display. As for accessories, it includes a Type-C cable, a motherboard P cable, and a small adhesive mounting bracket. There's also a magnetic adhesive mount, which makes installation more flexible. You also get mounting screws, a bracket, and some extra adhesive pads. Overall, the accessory set is quite complete. Let's take a quick look at everything included. You can tell the accessories are thoughtfully prepared and fairly comprehensive. Now focusing on the 11.3-inch display itself, the build quality feels solid, almost like a sleek decorative panel, clean and minimal in appearance. On the back, there's a motherboard P cable interface. If you plan to install it inside your PC case and keep the cables neat while saving a USB port, you can use the 9P cable to connect directly to the motherboard. If you're using a mini PC or a laptop, you can simply connect it via a Type-C cable, which is much more straightforward. For installation, there are mounting holes on the back along with screws and brackets included. You can mount the sensor screen inside your PC case according to its internal structure. This creates a cleaner, more integrated look with a significantly better overall effect. Or, if you prefer something easier, you can use the magnetic adhesive mount. Just stick it on like a small accessory and place it wherever it fits best. This mounting method is also the preferred choice for most users, giving your PC case a sleek and stylish appearance. Now, let's connect it to a computer and see how it performs. The screen is now connected. I've simply placed it on top of my speaker for demonstration, and it blends in quite nicely. Next, let's take a look at the software. The interface is clean and supports different styles, like solid color, colorful themes, and a more tech-inspired look. For demonstration, I've selected a pure black theme for a cleaner appearance. It also supports auto launch on startup, which makes it more convenient to use. Now let's explore the themes. There are plenty of built-in static themes, and they're already quite well designed. It also supports 90-degree rotation, allowing you to easily switch to portrait display. In addition, there are many dynamic themes with a wide variety of styles. For example, anime style, gaming themes, character-based designs, and some more visually dynamic effects. You can choose based on your preference. If that's still not enough, you can enter the Theme Center to download more. Most of them are free, and there's a wide selection available. The web page supports both English and Chinese interfaces with unique theme styles for each language. You can download themes based on your preferences or choose your favorite theme templates to customize and DIY as you like. In the dedicated software, you can add numerous monitoring metrics and fully customize the font styles and visual patterns of the data to suit your personal style. You can also customize templates to suit your needs. For example, you can set your own background by importing images, GIFs, or even videos for a more personalized display. Here, I've imported a video I downloaded earlier. The result looks quite good, almost like adding a dynamic wallpaper to the screen. Additionally, you can transform your favorite lyrics into an elegant scrolling marquee, or even import cherished clips from your beloved anime or movies. In this way, it not only monitors your PC hardware data in real time, but also becomes a delightful entertainment companion that brings fun, vitality, and endless surprises to your desktop. There's also a useful feature called theme rotation. You can add multiple themes or animations into a playlist, arrange them by dragging and set how long each one plays. For example, 5 seconds or any custom duration. Once set, the themes will switch automatically in sequence. It's a convenient feature that keeps the display feeling fresh. Don't waste time deciding which themes you like. Every true adult knows the correct answer. Yes, I'll have all of them. Alright, that covers most of the software features. Next, I'll install it inside the PC case to show the full setup effect.